The experiment 2 took place in a cafe Oco, in the basement of one cafe, where the owners are saving a lot of vintage elements, a lot of old objects, and they allowed us to go to this basement. So our objective was to recreate all the actions that were happening through the observations of the objects and the order of the objects in the space, the position of the objects in the space. So the methodology was to put off the lights and use only the flashlights to observe the elements, and to have some kind of like a zoom with the flashlights to each element and observe different kind of things, different kind of qualities in the objects, and making some kind of hypothesis of what kind of actions were happening before with that kind of objects. We start to explore. We do have to make a documentary, make kind of registration through audio and through photography of the elements that were there, and the exploration of the objects was with some kind of visualization of the objects, but also we were experimenting some kind of tactile sensations. So we were touching the objects, feeling the texture, the shape, and also we were through the sound. So through the sound we were experimenting what kind of sound the object has, and make some kind of like a reconstruction of what kind of sounds were doing the objects in the past actions where they were happening with them. Yeah.